So you came back from the hospital. How did it go? You tell me. It went okay?
I had diamonds with wings on it.
Really? Wow.
But we're on me right now.
Can you smile? Let me see your teeth, baby. Oh, very nice now. I love it. Is it yummy popsicle? Okay. Maya tawa dukle kahe athar an vua to ni hi mai thara ne to ni hi a baby ti ta ni nain atlua dukle ta khawang khanin crown and down ni hi.
Yes, I do.
You can't put that ring in there. It doesn't. They don't belong. Okay, here. Let's do this hot pink. Hot pink.
Hop.
Yeah, and then maybe you want to do the yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at them.
You know you pick this, the bows. You pick this one.
Look at those.
Okay. Let's see. We'll do this. You need to do from there so you can. Okay, here. Give me your wrist. Let me see. Hold on. We'll do it this way.
I wanna build a necklace. I wanna build a one tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Here. Let's measure your wrist. Okay. Bring it over here. I wanted to know how many more we need to put. No. Like. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay, we need maybe a few more, okay? Okay, which color you want? Which one you want?
I got all kinds of.
Oh, you got all kinds of colors. Okay, here.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Okay. Okay. They are awake.
He's helping Mila right now, baby cake.
Oh, we're almost there. Few more. Few
See,
more.
like-
Okay. Big.
You guys woke up too early.
Ngon kan siam mani he ngon. What do you think, Mila Boop? You need to cut these because it needs to. Oh, maybe they put that onto. Hold on, baby. Let's see. To lift up your arm.
No, I want to put on it.
Okay.
Like a line, like a color line.
Let's see. Oh.
Do you want to go back to bed?
We have plenty now, okay? All right, so we're all done.
Okay,
We're
go.
gonna see if we have enough bracelet to go around your wrist. Yeah, I think so. That's so pretty. Now the next time we're gonna do the blue color, okay? Let me tie this.
No, don't do the blue
Oh, you don't like the blue color? Okay, that's fine.
What's your favorite color?
pink and orange.
Okay, now. All right. Some of these are really sharp. It's like really. Hey, baby. Try it. Put your hands through. Oh, is it a little bit big? I guess it's okay, right?
Can you do this thing?
We do this side too? We'll make one more?
No. You have to roll it.
Roll it. Okay. All right. So should we make one more? Oh, that's for your boo boo. Hey, boo ina. Han siama ivy and sana ni hibite. It's okay, right? Okay, now should we make a necklace that matches with this? What do you think? I know you have a necklace. Here, let me. Where's the scissors? Here, cut these a little bit, okay? These. Hold on. Did I tie it correctly? Hold on. I need to make a square knot. I guess it's okay. There. Is it a little bit big, or it's okay?
You have to do it right here.
Okay. Is your boo boo still hurt with it?
No.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna put it aside. We'll make more tomorrow. Okay.
At the dentist, I feel something really, really soft. Something really, really soft.
Something really, really soft. What will that be?
I feel that with my other arm. What do you do in my arm?
Oh, that's you get ivy with that.
Hey, Beck, who we got out here?
What's your step? You go around. Here, I'll get some for Addie. There you go. Yep, this is for your back. Okay, there you go. Now you play with that. That's yours. And this is Beck's, okay? Okay.
Oh,
And balu in fiam na hi.
Real.
Yeah, real bear. So you have to be careful. Mila and bear ka putian ito sabong man ku like one. Real bear, right? Big one.
And with a little car.
Oh really? Oh, with the cup. Oh.
Because they're walking that tree. Well, because they're walking.
What you making, baby?
That can help you make a sandcastle. How you do it? No. That's our cup.
You share. You share, baby. You share. Okay, you be good. Be good to your sister. Yeah.
Kinetic sand.
Magnet.
kinetics.
Magnet ang ani chu he an bal thei bok hek lawa ba thei ti hianin ati chi khop mai no pangtan chuanin nau te ho an muhil ria nau te pani phir pani an nau te muhil he an han an ni hi an chun mu an lo thau cha he an hanin play nga la ni hi tro ba te say Emmy kalome kalome yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Kaya Mila, Zairo, little bit there. What song? ABC or Jesus? Let it. What do you call that? The other song there.
Let it go.
Okay, I want to listen to that. Zairo, little bit there. Back, back. Sing. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, back. So what do you have, Mila? Okay. I want you to sing. Mila. Let me see your teeth. Oh, airplane. Airplane. Uh-huh. I know, airplane. Airplane local ta. Say bye-bye, Taro. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, airplane. Bye-bye, airplane. Say, oh, bye-bye, airplane. Airplane, airplane.
I died.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. You're not singing. Okay, let me see the bracelet we made.
Foodie Bible tells Mila, so they don't want to him be long. He always, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Yay! Very good. Wow. Addie, is it stuck in your hand?
I died.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, that's for
Just
her.
a little oil.
Okay.
Helps her start healing. Okay.
Back, you're yawning. Okay, let's see. We're going to build a castle.
I can help. I can do it from Beckham.
Uh-huh. All right.
Wait! Abby, look at this.
Another airplane. Say bye-bye.
Abby, look at this.
Oh, you put your
Bye-bye.
ring. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, here. Look at the shark we made.
Mom, what's the shark?
Oh, okay, the
Wow.
shark we made.
And
Mm-hmm.
this
Do you want Emmy to help me, baby?
and
Okay. Here, we get a big one, okay? A big one, and you put your shark here. Right here. Right here, baby. Right here. Oh, push, 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 push. Let's see. Okay, take it out now.
hello.
Okay. There it is. Uh-huh.
I'm in the sand castle.
Okay, I know. We're gonna make sandcastle.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Beck, you want to make a turtle? We can do this, okay? Yeah, here. Watch here. Okay. Here, put it right here. Don't take that. Put your turtles here. Put your turtles. Here. Yeah. Okay, let's see.
No, no,
Okay. There's your turtle.
No.
Inti Waisua, Mila. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at the sand castle, and you got a ring on top. Wow. Okay.
A bun.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're putting your bracelet there too. Oh wow, another airplane na local reng maya hila yan. Wait, bye bye.
Why is it?
Bye bye.
Why is there a bunch of
Wow.
Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, Mila, put Mila, put your castle. Put your castle. Your castle.
The castle wing?
These.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Oh, you don't want it? Okay, I thought you were making a cute castle, a Cinderella castle. Yeah. Mhm. Katutahian. Yeah. Kay lo angin hey.
No.
An mit tahi pol vek mai to. An mai cha ben hi mit hi a brown na mi pa tahian an mit ta pol vek ka he ka tu pa te. Pani hi chuanin a phir pani dang khi mai cha ken mit ta pol boka Mila che hi mi a pol lo ani.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Too heavy to lift that.
Okay.
Got it.
I really wanted to see you putting the castle on there so I can see how it looks like but there. Want to try? Oh. Are those ducks?
No, bro.
Bird? Okay.
But
Uh-huh.
like floating.
Oh. Oh, those are birds. Wow. Savan tamla to kilai ki eh. Andron rak nok may.
I can.
I know.
Oh no, yeah.
Birds. Okay. Yeah.
There we go.
Let's see. Oh, that is so cute, Mila. Oh, wow. That's so shiny, too. What do you think, Beck?
Whoa.
Uh-huh. Really?
Right there.
Okay. Addie, careful, okay? Careful. Careful. Look at all the birds. All the birds are up on the tree. What's the birdie says? Tweet, 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 tweet.
Look at this, honey.
Oh, you roll like a marble. Yeah, like a marble. Oh,
No.
the bird. Yeah, Eddie and Becca. No, look. It's Hi, birthday. Are you hungry?
And then I have to feed it flesh out or flesh. I can't.
Mila, you want some water?
I can't.
What happened?
Dude, you want to feed it flesh? I can't help it.
Oh, the birds are still. Birds.
Look.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look.
Yeah, birds are. Oh, yeah, I see the birds are flying away. Oh, look, there's a little birdie coming to the house. Uh-huh.
No. Mom, that's a bell. A cowbell.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a cowbell.
Oh, careful, Addie.
Oh, bro, that's a cowbell.
Oh, okay.
I do too. I do. Don't you think
So many birds are coming and they are chirping, right?
So many?
Mhm, so many.
Three. I do three.
Yeah. Okay, are we ready to go inside? No? You still want to stay outside, baby?
Sorry.
Okay.
A
A bird. I know, a bird and airplane keeps coming here. Oh, yeah. There's a toy. Yeah. Oh, you found the toy down there. I'm wondering who threw that toy down there.
I did. I went to this.
Okay. You know what? I like your slippers, Addie. They are so cute. Oh, you have a pink one.
And I got 2 pairs.
2 pairs?
I got a pink one and a black.
Really?
I got a pink one and a black.
Beck, I like your slippers. I like your shoes.
I got it.
I like your shoes.
I got.
Uh-huh. Woo!
A ball.
Yeah. You know what? I don't know. Maybe we should go for a little walk. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, another airplane. Okay, local Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Where are all the birds? Oh, wow. Tons of birds in the tree. They are coming. I know. There's tons. Oh, yeah. We need to get those toys in the bag. Oh, careful, baby. Okay, Mila.
I have a bracelet.
I know. That might. It might be. It's a little bit scratchy, maybe. I don't know. But there. Kansiam dalan niya, hey. Oh. Oh. Ako naman tigil may saban lokal niya lutok. Oh, okay. Okay, that's enough, Mila. Oh, there's a big bird. There's a big bird. Oh. Oh. I know. Oh.
Wow. Where did it fly?
They make so much noise.
Wow.
Naman tiye, katuta. Oh, did you see that big bird flying? Oh. All right.
Oh, why?
An toy an pai thak kan han sar khom don ni hi. Okay, Addie, get the bag. There's a bag. A trash.
Oh, why?
You gotta put shoes on, baby.
Don't go.
Yeah, we'll wait for you right here. Hey, bag. Wait there. Go get that bag. The trash bag. Right there, right here, baby. Look. That one. Yeah. That give that to me. Yes. Good boy. Oh, fellutuk. Oh, yuck. This is where. Okay. Klasikan ni do na hen. Nim te po an. She's out to tila ro re room eh. Okay, you can put it in there. Your sister's gonna go and get her shoes. Okay. Okay, baby. Back, you wanna put it up here?
Okay.
Oh, you want to hold on? Okay. Don't go that way. Mila, we stay right here. We stay right here. We don't go in the front, okay, baby? The birdies are on that tree. Oh, are you rolling over? Okay, stay on. Yeah, Mila. I saw you fell over. I know you fell over. What you doing, Mila? Mila, what you doing? Uh-huh. Wow. Qua bà tàn sân dầu vết đoán ấy. Thả đi. Careful, 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 careful. Okay. Daddy, that's a big one.
Shut.
Oh, careful, Addie. Don't hit your brother. Mila, don't go in there. That's somebody's yard. Come on, baby. You stay right here. Yeah. Oh, is it stuck? Oh, okay. Hey, no, man, yeah. Whoa.
And it's just a one, not
I don't know. You got a lot of scratches and everything. That's not very smooth. But let me see.
Please, I want to hang on it.
Okay, here. Let's Okay, hey, lawn do let me how about right here? Okay. You want to go up there too? Don't climb more up, but Mila, that's enough. Hey, thing lon te hi no man tia nia mi zo no pang ve ang nia pi chu na nia hey. Let him climb there too.
No, it's dangerous. I can hold him. I gotta hold you, baby. You go, oh.
Mila, don't go up there anymore.
Don't
Mila,
go any farther. That's
don't
far
go any
enough.
farther. Addie,
Look at that view.
you're so high. Careful, Mila. Hun. Okay. Oh, another airplane coming. Hun, airplanes coming all the time.
Yeah,
Every.
the airport must be near.
Yeah, airport at 90. Local. Honey, you gotta get her. Okay.
Go down. Let's walk. Let's take a walk.
Let's go for a walk. Follow Papa. Follow you. Okay.
Is this a real one?
Okay, ready?
Well,
Everybody
not
walk
real
like Papa.
one, but like a pretend for a
Everybody
play.
walk like Papa. Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh. Say no way.
Every time.
Okay, hold on, guys.
Don't run.
No running.
You gotta walk.
Gotta walk.